Bittrex app. The pros, the cons. The Bittrex app is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange known for its vast selection of coins and robust security features. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for advanced traders, but Bittrex also offers beginner-friendly tools for buying, selling, and tracking crypto. On the pros side, Bittrex supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including many lesser-known altcoins. The app has strong security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for assets. Its interface is clean and intuitive, and trading fees are competitive for both makers and takers. Bittrex also provides real-time market data and charts, making it useful for both casual investors and active traders. The cons include a lack of fiat funding options in some regions, which can make deposits and withdrawals slower for beginners. Customer support can sometimes be delayed, and the large number of cryptocurrencies might overwhelm new users. Additionally, custodial storage means you don't have direct access to private keys. In conclusion, the Bittrex app is excellent for traders seeking variety, security, and professional-grade tools. It's versatile and reliable, but beginners may need time to familiarize themselves with the breadth of options and trading mechanics.